Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to correctly install a disk drive on your PS5 Pro, as the console only comes as a digital edition. You'd want to do this to allow you to play disc-based games and to play disc-based movies. I'll include links in the description below, including purchasing links. The packaging for the disk drive comes with larger feet to lay the console horizontally, the CD drive and a replacement side panel to cover the drive once it's installed. Let's begin by identifying the correct panel to remove. If you have the console sitting horizontally, it's the bottom left panel, or if you have the console standing vertically, it's the lower panel on the right hand side if you are facing the front of the console. To remove the panel, place the console on a flat surface with the front facing away from you. Put your fingers under the plate and gently pull up on the left side. You'll hear it unclip, then lift it away. Take the drive and slot it into position at the front and lower it down until the back clicks into place. Next, take the replacement side cover, slot the rear clips into place at the back and then lower the front of the cover and push it down to clip the front into position. And that's it. When you turn the console on, you'll get a message saying your disk drive is connected to your PS5. To use your disk drive, register it to your PS5. Click OK. You'll then get a message registering your disk drive, and that's it. You can start using the disk drive with your PS5 Pro, and there's nothing in addition you need to do to configure it. So it's as simple as that to start using the disc-based games with your PS5 Pro. If you plan on keeping the console horizontally, remember to use the new feet you get in the disk drive packaging, as the existing ones are shorter, so the console won't be stable if you use them. Like and follow for more. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.